Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, create visual direction by fading an element from left to right. So challenge क्या है? For this challenge, you will change the opacity of an animated element so it gradually fades as it reaches to the right side of the screen. In the displayed animation, the round element with gradient background moves to right by the 50% of the animation per the keyframe rule. Background moves to the right 50% mark of the animation. So, task क्या है? Target the element with the ID ball and add the opacity property set to 0.1%, 0.1 at 50%. So the element fades as it moves to the right. सो 50% पर जैसे ही हम लोग ओपेसिटी सेट करेंगे ओपेसिटी 0.1 तो वो एक मोशन क्रिएट कर रहा है जहां पर वो फेड हो जा रहा है आगे पहुंचने पर the round element with gradient background moves to the right 50% mark of the animation per the keyframe rule 50% पर लेफ्ट 60% पुश होता है और ऑपेसिटी 0.1 हो जाता है तो वो एक ये इफेक्ट फेडिंग इफेक्ट क्रिएट करता है सो द keyframe rule for fade should set the opacity property to 0.1 at 50%. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.